My friend Dean Jackson was right. In Miami, a couple of years ago, Dean said something that I'd never forgotten. He said, the coaches who will win are the ones who can help their clients win faster. Years ago, Alex Hormozy said, the secret to scale is how low can you lower the bar and still have your clients succeed? That's what we're here to talk about. The coaches who help their clients win the fastest will win. Not the ones with the best curriculum, not the ones with the longest Zoom calls or the most modules in their portal. The people who win are the people who remove the most friction and help clients win faster. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your coaching business deliver faster results for your clients without having to lean in and do all the work for them. We call it DXY. Done accelerated for you. It's been a massive game changer for us in the last 6 months. I thought I'd show you what we're doing so you can model it. So this video is not really a teach. It's more like a show and tell. I'm going to show you some of the things that we've been building lately that help our clients start quickly and finish faster, get results faster, helped us scale our delivery without drowning our team or having to add extra headcount, and give our clients what we call power-ups that help them win fast, makes them love us more, and they show them to our friends, so referrals go up too. So stick around and I'll show you what kind of DXY assets we've been giving to our black belt clients in the last 6 months and how to build your first one too. We just made a GPT so fresh, we literally named it about an hour ago. It's called the DXY Power Up Picker. There's a link in the description. So in the last 6 months, we built a bunch of DXY assets inside black belt. A Micromagnet Builder GPT, a instant workshop page, landing page builder, a silent offer doc generator, even a tool that builds your entire offer and your visual sales model from scratch. So our clients just like plug into these, and in a couple of minutes, they build what used to take them weeks. And the good news is, if you do them right, you can get your clients from like 0 to 80 or 90% really quickly. And it's not just for GPTs. Inside CMM, Coach Marketing Machine, our private label CRM, we've dropped in all of our best funnels, landing pages, follow-up campaigns, SMS campaigns, as snapshots. So clients just click, they customize, and it's done for them. The benefit, no more blank pages, no more where do I start, or I'm stuck, or I'm lost, just momentum, fast, and quick wins. All right, dude. By the way, in my world, in the Taki world, the word dude is a unisex term of love and endearment. So if I called you dude, it means you're awesome. So let me show you what coaches used to do, what most coaches are doing right now, and the thing that we're doing right now that's given us a little bit of an edge so you can steal it for your bad self. So in the old days, there was really only 2 ways that people like us helped people like them. On one end of the spectrum was DIY, do it yourself. You know, all care, no responsibility, you deliver them a great course, and it's on them to implement. And at the other end of the spectrum is done for you, agency style. Do it yourself, great for the coach. Because it's like, here's my stuff. It's infinitely scalable, kind of awesome. Crap for the client. Why? Because apparently, only 3% of people who buy an online course actually finish the course. Not even implement the course, and definitely not even get results from the course, but even like finish the videos, 3% is awful. And then there's other people who go, you know what, this teaching stuff, they don't like it, I'm just gonna do it for them. Great for the client, awful for the coach. Why? It's hard to scale, it's low margins, it's a lot of hours, it's not much fun, right? So good for them, not good for you. It's gotta be a better way to do this. And so I figured out this thing that is kind of how the industry does stuff now, and it's called Done With You. Scalability of this model and the resultiness of that model. You teach it, you give them a template, they pour their content, their personality into it, and they get an outcome. You know, it's like teach, template, tweak, and away you go. It's pretty good. And that's where we've been as an industry for like, I don't know, 8 or 10 years. But there's a way better way, and it's a way to help clients win even faster. Because even with this model, have you ever had something that you explain and you give them the tool and the template and they don't get it right, or they don't even do it? We call it DXY, done accelerated for you. It's infinitely more scalable, and the results are just night and day different. We've been playing with this for the last maybe 6 months. Inside Black Belt and inside Boardroom, and the client results are off the hook. One of our guys just did this, took one of our DXYs the other day, got 1,009 leads for 91 cents each from something that our robot spat out for him. It's kind of awesome. So now you understand the model, let's show you how to do it. So to summarize, DXY, done accelerated for you, just speeds up the transformation with tools, templates, tech that removes clients' friction so they can win faster. Think about it like what happens when a coach hits the NOS button. We call it DXY. Let me show you how it's done. 3 key ideas for you to get your head around it. We'll do this fast. I'll just show you some examples. Here's the first one. DXY is the perfect antidote for recurring roadblocks. You know that thing that you find yourself teaching and reteaching and explaining and re-explaining, and you give them the homework and they still don't get it or they don't do it? Anytime there's a recurring roadblock, we want to remove it with a DXY power-up. So have a think about either things that your clients need to do on a regular basis or that just comes up often with different clients. Any one of those things, anytime you find yourself repeating yourself, you're writing a to-do list for a power-up. So the second thing we want to do is unlock a power-up. You know, in Super Mario, you start out tiny and then you punch that first thing and either a mushroom or a star, I can't remember, falls out. You grab it and now you can do stuff you couldn't do before. You're either really big or you're really fast or you can shoot fireballs or whatever the hell happened back in the 90s. That's a power-up. DXY isn't about doing stuff for them. It's about giving them the power-ups that let them just implement your stuff quicker. In the last month, we've released a couple of new power-ups. A Micromagnet GPT that writes your lead magnet replacement, your list builder in a minute or two. A workshop landing page builder. Our clients used to struggle to create great lead magnets or it would take them forever. So we built a Micromagnet GPT that spits them out fast and they're amazing. Like amazing. When people are on the kickoff call with us and they first join, one of the things we want them to do is post a hand raiser and get some leads from their organic audience. So we built a hand raiser-matic. Literally, while they're typing in some answers into the Zoom chat, we just copy and paste them into the hand raiser-matic and it gives them amazing hand raisers instantly. They used to struggle with writing an offer doc. So we built an offer doc generator, right? They run paid workshops. So we built the instant workshop page builder. All of these things just make clients win fast. It's worth noting they don't have to be tech. Some of ours are GPTs, some of them are in CRM, some of them are just like checklists or templates, things to make life faster. So all we do is we figure out where clients get stuck and we solve it once and for all so the question doesn't come up anymore. They just click the magic buttons and get the magic outcomes. So the thing that I used to hate about AI and GPT was like the output kind of sucked. It was lame. Like, who do you coach and what problem do you solve? And it would make this whole, and it was bullcrap. So what we want to do, like we program the hell out of these things. We've got an 8,000 word prompt limit on our GPTs and we use like sometimes we have to delete spaces or full stops just to squeeze in every little block of juice. But here's the thing, they can be amazing. And if you do well, you'll get your clients to, I don't know, 80 or 90%, but they still need some seasoning from your clients. And so Dan Martell's got this amazing framework called the 10-80-10 rule. He helps entrepreneurs get their freedom back and buy back their time by having them do the first 10%, the inspiration, the idea, the direction, and then have a person, or in this case, a power up, do the 80% of the work, the grunt work. And then just like Salt Bae comes in and like seasons it, you've got to do that too. So 10-80-10. So the question is like, how do you build your first power up? Well, really simple. You start by going, where are my clients getting stuck right now? Or where is my team repeating themselves or doing stuff more than once? That's the perfect starting line for your next power up. If your clients are struggling to build an offer builder. If you get requests for like, help me with my campaign or critique this thing, build a critique engine. Super easy, right? So you don't have to build the whole system. Just build the next tool that they need, put it in their hands and watch what they do with it. It'll blow your mind. You're not replacing your coaching, you're just accelerating it. And if it saves like an hour a month across 20 clients, that's 20 hours every single month that you just bought back. It's amazing. So just last week, we're on the Gold Coast with Boardroom, our high-end group, all coaches doing 7 or 8 figures. We taught this DXY concept. And one of our clients coaches school principals and helps them like shape school culture. One of the things that principals hate doing is writing the monthly newsletter. And so we built the monthly newsletter maker. And all they do, it asks them 3 questions. They just talk the answers. And 2 minutes later, their newsletter's done, and it's better than the thing that they were putting off before, and better than the thing once they actually wrote it. It's instant. It's a little itch scratched, and they love it. So if you want some help building your first power up, or you're curious about like what DXY might look like in your program, we built a DXY power up picker, which just like asks you a couple of questions and suggests some things that you might like to DXY for your clients. The other thing you could do is just like ask your clients, what would you like us to make even easier? But the DXY power up picker will do that job for you and suggest some really great tools. Let's wrap this up. In the old days, you had 2 choices. Teach them and have them do it themselves or do it for them. This was great for you and crap for them. This was great for them and crap for you. So a few years ago, about 8 years ago, we started doing Done With You, and it's fantastic. It's fine. It's good. But people are picking up this DXY thing, and the people who do help the clients win faster, and they're the ones who are going to crush this year and next year. So you either get on the bus or you get hit by the bus. If you want to stand out this year, you need more than a great curriculum. You need a way to help your clients actually finish, to go from mission to mission accomplished. DXY is the upgrade. It's frictionless, it's fast. I reckon it's the future and we're all in on it. Here's what to do next. If you like, grab the DXY Power Up Picker from the link below. Choose one power up you could make this week, give it to your clients, and watch them thank you for it. It's really fun being back on YouTube. I've shot 3 videos today. The next one's an absolute banger. So subscribe, hit the bell, do whatever the YouTube things are. And honestly, I do this because I love helping the good guys win. And so I'd love it if you could share this with someone in your world, another good guy, a great coach who wants to make a difference. And just remember, the good guys, guy is just a unisex term of love and endearment in my world. Okay, so share it with someone who you think it'll help. I appreciate you a ton. Try the GPT thingy, and I'll see you soon.